Hello everyone, in this video I want to quickly show you a product I launched recently that allows you to obtain prediction market datasets without having to mess around with APIs. It is called KingSets. You can find it at kingsets.com and basically allows you to download Kalshi Polymarket datasets either in CSV files or even without downloading it, you can query it directly in BigQuery. Currently, this product is in beta. It doesn't require you to sign up to anything, and you get the last days of data absolutely for free. Let me show you the data itself. There's a section to download the CSV files. You can simply click on these buttons or right-click, copy the link address and download it programmatically. Data gets updated every day by 3 a.m. UTC. And by 3 a.m. UTC, you also get a daily trade file for the previous calendar day UTC. Sometimes you may notice that the Polymarket file is not available until maybe 6 a.m. or 9 a.m. UTC. The reason is that Polymarket data trades, we ingest them directly from Polygon blockchain. And what I found is that RPCs are not always reliable in terms of being fast to respond. So there are days where we encounter plenty of timeout errors and we keep retrying until we get them all. Main difference about Kalshi and Polymarket is, they roughly have the same structure in that there are series that can contain multiple events. An event can contain multiple markets, and a market can contain multiple trades. Main difference is that Kalshi data, we ingest them from their API, so they have like daytime, which are accurate, and you can kind of infer the sequence of the trades that way. Polymarket, we ingest them from chain, so for example, I didn't call them trades, I call them block trades. The difference is mainly due to the fact that ingesting from trades, we don't really have the date and time when the trades got matched off chain. We have the date and time when the trade got pushed into the Polygon blockchain by Polymarket. But we have a way of sorting them. I'm going to show you quickly, shortly, when we show you the BigQuery datasets. So first option, download data as CSV files. Second option, query data directly with BigQuery without downloading anything. We built actually an AI skill that allows you to basically have an assistant that can help you craft SQL statements to navigate the datasets. I'm going to make a separate video, dedicated video about that. For now, let me just quickly show you datasets. Datasets basically have the same structure and the same columns that you would find in CSV files. And here are a couple of sample queries. For example, this query allows you to select the first 100 trades that happened in Kalshi yesterday, ordered by date time. As you can see, every trade also has a reference to the series ticker, event ticker, market ticker. So if you want more information about event, markets, and series, you can basically join this table with the series event or market table. And the three main fields are side, size, and price, as you would expect with the trade datasets, and the date and time. As you can see, the Kalshi API provides microseconds, so this is fairly okay for inferring a sequence of trades. And then Polymarket, similar concept with a couple of differences. The first being that instead of having tickers, we have series ID, event ID, market ID. The same concept. If you want more information about the market, event, and series, join this table with the series, event, market tables. The second caveat is, as I mentioned, because these trades come from blockchain, you will see that, for example, the few initial trades that happened yesterday, they seem to have exactly the same timestamp. And the reason why they do is because a single Polygon blockchain block includes multiple transactions. However, to infer a sequence, you can basically sort them by block number, transaction index, and log index, which we include here in this table. And then, of course, the usual fields that you would expect from a trade record, which is side, size, and price. This is just an introduction, so feel free to check the other video that we will publish shortly about the AI skill that will help you navigating and crafting queries for aggregating data from the other tables. But in general, on kingsets.com, we also have a section that tells you bits and pieces about data, specific fields. The most important probably is that when you see prices, these prices are basically decimal, okay? So in here, for example, you see 0.10, it means that the trade on the website would have shown has been matched at 10 cents, okay? Stuff like this. So read about the data in this section. Also, there is an FAQ with more stuff about caveats of the various fields. And if you have more questions, just get in touch either via X or Telegram.